How much does a R36 factory wheel weigh? Well, let's find out. So I've got a brand new Goodyear tyre on it. It's a Eagle F1 235/40, so it's the factory size. The rim's a bit knackered here and there. All right, it's calibrated at 0. Let's put it on. No, I'm not holding that up at all. 25.3 kilos. Whoa, 25.3 kilos. There's 100 kilos of rim and tyre essentially around here. I know there are some differences between some tyre weights. Run flat tyres, for example, can be heavier than, say, eco tyres. They're usually a bit lighter. But that's a pretty good indication of how frickin' heavy these 18-inch Omanyents are. So probably bang for buck. If you were looking at some wheels, look at some lighter wheels. You probably notice that you might feel that you've got a little bit extra horsepower. Mostly because you're probably taking out what's equivalent to a passenger in your car. So probably not that much, but you know, obviously the new wheels will still weigh something. But yeah, look, figures don't lie.